Hey guys, it's Mariama and you're watching my BTS vlog. And welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing a very special vlog. It is behind the scene of a photo shoot, but most importantly, an e-com shoot. So e-com is basically what you see when you're shopping, when you're looking at the clothes. You see the front, side, and the back of the garment. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing we do once we get to set is usually go into hair and makeup. Hair and makeup takes about 30 to hour 30, hour 45, depending on the look we're going for. For this particular day, we were doing a more baby doll-like glam look with lashes and liner and lips, so it took a little longer. But wow, isn't it worth it? So guys, I want to introduce you to Angel. Angel's an amazing makeup artist out here in LA. What?
We be doing things, sweetie.
Doing it. If you see girls looking amazing, it's usually this one.
I got this girl, she's too bomb. Let's just say that.
Whatever.
My job.
I did not show up looking like this, but whoo.
We got her right.
So after hair and makeup, we start shooting. For e-com, we shoot from 30 to 60 looks a day, sometimes even like 70, 80 looks, depending on the client. And when we do that, we shoot front, side, and back. So this right here would be the final product when you're shopping, what you would see on the website. As you see, we killed it that day. But yeah. Model for today, it's Sydney, looking amazing. Ooh.
Oh, Polly.
So where are you from?
From Detroit, Michigan, but I'm in LA right now.
Period. Oh, and say hi.
Hi.
Hey, hi. Lunch, guys. Time for lunch. We're starving. So let's go. So we just finished lunch. It's still freezing, as you can tell. So we're just by the heater. You can always find the models by the heater on set. Always. We're always freezing, so this is perfect. Ooh, your hair is perfect. My shit's all like, ooh, the gas out.
Touch up, sweetie. Let's get these lips popping. Insert here, smack.
Insert smack. That's funny. Look at her doing content. She looks good. What are you using?
Scott Farms.
Scott Bond.
Love the palette. Whew. Where is it?
Wait. Ooh,
Wait.
there it is. Oh,
All
I
the
knew
colors,
that.
sweetie. All the colors.
Ooh, okay. The secret.
Idiot.
An average ecom day can go from 8 hours to 10 hours and sometimes even 12 hours depending if we're doing video or if we're going to be shooting like some cool social media or stuff for the website. These are kind of like my favorite poses. I just have a little routine I do when I'm on set. It's nice to practice if you have an upcoming job or if you're new into modeling, especially for stuff like ecom because it's so different than all the other type of modeling that's out there, and definitely different than fashion and how you move your body because you always want to show the garment. But these are my little favorite poses. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.